Hey YouTube, I got a rare double unboxing today. Of this box today from the Federal Express. Some say derived from the Pony Express. Kind of impossible to know, but if anybody out there has some sources, let us know. Anyway, we got here a box. We're take it over here to the box spot. So it's a standard side open. A little sticky here, which is, depends on what you're. It's a double perforated, corrugated box, and then we get a secondary box. Now note, this is, as far as boxes go, this is some of the better boxing you're going to find. Got a sleek racing stripe. It's a fit easily 200 cigars in here, I think, probably, but these are not cigars. It's this little magnetic flap here, in case you need to demagnetize your credit card to prevent identity theft, or if your box just won't stay closed. And then we open them up, and we've got the rare third layer on the second half of the box, which I'm then going to. It's all for this, which will prove to be definitely not disappointing in any way. So, thank you. Remember, click subscribe, like, and cheers, YouTube land.